Smoke Your Tires game.com for details. Now you can win tickets to the Daytona 500. Must be 18 or older to be eligible. Void for prohibited. For a complete list of rules, visit SmokeYourTiresGames.com. Here's the winner, Jeff Burton, coming home in the second spot. Here's the replay. This is one to go. If you're looking at on television, side by side they win. We can see the 17 and the 60 grab the lead on restarts, but they did it outside when they could wind it up. That's what Tony Stewart was able to do with PCD. See the 31 come up against the save, knock the kid away, and then suddenly Tony Stewart was all by himself and able to accelerate away and get the lead.
Now we saw the 17 and 16 become disconnected. We were able to hook up again on the back. By that time, Stewart had gotten into good position. Coming on the outside, blocking any type of high move. That's when Kenseth decided he'd try to go up high. At that point in time, that's when Kenseth got disconnected, and the wreck was on from there. Everybody made contact, and it was just hold on. And Tony Stewart with an incredible move. And for turn two, takes here in the Coke Zero 400, powered by Coca-Cola.
And most importantly, his third of the season to help solidify where he is in the points. And also protect him from everything. He was ninth in the points going in. 3 wins now, 4 bonus points going into the chase for Tony Stewart.
We see Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s car still sitting in the infield grass. He was able to climb away and is being provided to the care center for the mandatory observation. You see Jeff Gordon making his car back to the pit road, kind of running the wrong direction. You see all the contact on the left side of that Chevrolet. Another look at the replay here when all the mayhem broke loose. Kevin Harvick got involved in that one. And Junior has finished every lap this
end of the day. So, practice